Welcome to this coding session, and in this coding session we will implement string cat operation from the string.h file. Starting with that, let us put proper include files. And I will say string cat, so cat star strcat implementation 1 star strict second string so I will say int constant first string length is equal to first string is equal to null, then it is 0, otherwise string len similarly second string. So we have the lengths of these strings, and we need to create a string that is combination of first and second string. So what is the length is going to be for these strings? If I say if 0 is equal to first and 0 equal to return null, and I will say char star constant new string is equal to to 0, then malloc size of cat multiplied by second length second string length is equal to 0. Let's add +1 to it. Second string length is equal to 0. malloc size of char multiplied by number of characters in the first string length it should be more like first string should be replaced by this is a better representation of things that we are looking. Second string length, number of chars in second string, number of chars in first string plus 1. So this more gives the makes more sense, because length is number of strings, the number of characters in that string. So this is what the this is what length of a string means. So number of characters, so we are saying that number of chars in first string is 0, then go for number of characters in second string. If not 0, then go for next condition. If see that number of chars in second string is 0, then create malloc from number of chars in first string. If that is not true, then now the strings are 0 and all of them have some values. Malloc size of char multiplied by number of chars in first string plus number of chars in second string plus 1 for the null terminator. This is going to create our code, and we can say something like back something like char star Let's compile and see that if that works or not. Works. I'll say if null is equal to new string, return null because the memory location has failed. And this is the new string and it is done. Now we need to put values inside it. To do that, if null is equal to new string, return null. So I will say something like return new string. No, it is better if I say something like if null is equal to new string, break the program as early as possible. Okay, now we have a proper memory allocation and we need to fill these memories with valid values from the first and second strings. So I will say something like I will create a iterator iterator is equal to new string while is equal to first string to first string copy the value, move the iterator one step backward to get rid of the null string. If 0 is not equal to number of chars in string, because if there is no second string to append in this current string, then there is no point of removing the termination character. And we move to the end, and more I will say that if 0 not equal to didn't do this. So this will only operate if number of characters in the first string is not there, and if there is second character second string there, then we remove the null value. We move the pointer one step backwards so that we can overwrite that null character. So this is correct till now, and I will say something like if 0 is not equal to number chars in second string, then while iterator is equal to so this is the work, and we have done the implementation. If there is no first string, then this block won't execute, only this will execute, and if there is no second string, then this will only execute and this part won't execute. The iterator is there and it is working. This code should work and compile. Or remove the word from here. Let us write the main function to validate it. Slogan strcat one is equal to Sanjay. So our code is ready, and let us try and run it. Running infinite loop, I guess. Okay. We're still missing the first word. What happened to the first word? First word copied. So this is the string concatenation operation or function that is there in the string.h file header, and I have implemented that, and I think this is the right way to do it. Can we optimize it? Maybe somewhere, some places, but overall it is good. See you in the next session. Thank you for watching.